To withdraw from BitUnix, you need to follow a series of steps. First, log into your BitUnix account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view your account balance and transaction history. Next, click on the withdrawal option, which is usually located in the top menu bar or in the account settings section. This will take you to the withdrawal page where you can select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure to check the minimum withdrawal amount and any applicable fees before confirming the transaction. After entering the amount, you will be asked to enter the wallet address where you want to receive the funds. Make sure to double-check the wallet address to avoid any errors. Once you have entered the wallet address, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Check the amount, fees, and wallet address before confirming the transaction. If everything is correct, click on the Confirm button to proceed with the withdrawal. You may be asked to enter a verification code sent to your email or phone to verify the transaction. After confirming the transaction, the withdrawal will be processed and the funds will be transferred to your wallet. This may take some time depending on the blockchain network and the workload of the BitUnix team. It is essential to note that withdrawals may be subject to certain restrictions, such as minimum withdrawal amounts, maximum withdrawal limits, and fees. Make sure to check the BitUnix website for the latest information on withdrawal policies and procedures. In addition, it is crucial to keep your account and wallet secure to avoid any potential risks. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your wallet software up to date to protect your funds. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely withdraw your funds from BitUnix. Always remember to stay informed and up to date with the latest developments and best practices in cryptocurrency trading and management.